welcome again to another video. My name is Lucia.
My name is Edward.
Yes, and we are back again.
Yeah.
It's long since we posted a video, but we are sorry. We are very, very sorry. I think it's been maybe 5 days without a video, but we are back now. We are back with good news. We are back. We left, but we are back with good news.
The good news.
Yes, guys, we have good news. So if you are new here, kindly remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
If you have been watching our content, you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, because from now henceforth we have very big news. All right, and a surprise too for you guys. We kept that surprise for like a month and something. Let's say 2 months.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a very big surprise, and I'm very sure you will be surprised. Amani aje, my dear? Will they be surprised?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Very sure.
You are very sure.
Because on my side, let me just say that if you believe and trust in God, He grants you your wish.
Yeah. Amen. He grants you your wish. If you believe in something, you work hard for it, you pray for it, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. I'm telling you. So
Work
guys,
hard
yeah,
for it.
yeah. What?
If you work hard for it.
Yes. Yes. So today is on Sunday, guys. As you can see, right now it's 9. I think it's 10 p.m. We are shooting this video at around 10 p.m.
Yeah.
All right. The kids are asleep, and we are here. We haven't slept yet. Why haven't you slept yet?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Let's go to bed.
No.
Today is on Sunday,
You know,
as you
money-
can see. Yeah.
Sometimes let money come first.
Let money can come first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Before we went to bed, we decided, why not, guys, show you? I'll tell you our big announcement that we have been keeping for you.
Yeah.
Keeping for you for the last 2 months. And you're gonna see that surprise tomorrow, not today. Not today.
Yeah.
We just wanted to tell you that, and so that you can wait for that surprise. We are going to end the year in style. Yeah? Are you ready, guys? We are going to end this year in style, and we thank God for the far He has brought us. By the way, we have come from far. As you know, can you see the backyard of our
You see
head?
the backyard and the front yard of ours.
Yeah,
It has changed.
it
because
has changed.
If you can go back to those videos,
Yeah.
when I used to tell you about backyard and front yard, it has changed.
It has changed.
And
By the way, it's long since you
appeared in.
you appeared, and the backyard is, front yard is, center yard is. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Your codes. By the way, we have come from far, from January until now. A very big change in this our Mabati house. For those who are new here, if you are watching this video, this is a Mabati house, iron sheet house, and it's very smart, built by this man, interior designed by this man, anything else.
Everything.
Everything else.
Plumbing, wiring, everything done by one hand.
This hand. This hard hand.
These hard hands. They crash.
They do crash. Yeah. So we have come from far, and we really thank God. And tomorrow, guys, is it tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a very big surprise for you, and you don't want to miss that. Please make sure you subscribe, and make sure tomorrow you keep on coming to our page. You search Lucia Nzilani up there.
And
you
someone
see
else will ask, at what time?
at what time?
Yeah.
Let's say before lunchtime. Let's say before lunchtime tomorrow, you will have our
Before lunchtime?
Yes, before lunchtime.
At what time is before lunch?
Let's say 11 a.m. Keep locked here, 11 a.m. We have a very big surprise for you guys, so that you can see how God can move you from one place,
can transform you. Yeah, you
I'm
know
so
me.
happy.
For me, I believe that everyone can succeed as long as they don't kill God.
But as long as God is alive,
As long as God is alive, anything that you desire, anything that you dream of, you can make it a reality. If you believe in yourself and you believe in God. Yeah.
have you heard, guys? Yes, so make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow so that you can see our biggest surprise of the year. Our biggest surprise of the year. As for us, we have been excited for the last 2 months, and I think the surprise is fading away for us. But for you, it will be a new surprise. For you, it will be a new surprise. But anyways, we are still happy. I'm still happy for the surprise because I couldn't imagine. Okay, so guys, I think that's all. It's late. It's 10 p.m. Anything else, my dear? By the way,
You know, you may ignore someone because he or she is not online. Maybe for a week or a month. But do you check on your friends?
please do.
Don't just assume.
Okay. Have you heard? I hope you have. So it's a bye-bye for us. It's a good night for us. We are going to bed right now. And we hope for tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be a very good day. And you will be surprised. Okay? So bye-bye, guys. See you tomorrow for surprise. Ciao. Remember to subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay? Please make sure you subscribe. That's how. Let's go to bed, my dear. Bye.
Bye.
We are going to bed.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.